Hello students, so we will see how to fill out a Google form because few tests we will be conducting on Google form. So there is a demo video on this. So when I will share you the link, you have to click on the link like this. I will recommend everyone that when you are giving the test, it will be better if you use your mobile device. Do not use a laptop. It will be like flexible to use your mobile device when you are filling or giving any test on Google Form. Okay, so this page will open. In here you have to fill out the details. So email address, name, you have to write your name, standard, write your standard, roll number, and you have to start with the test. So 10 times you have options over here, so just click on the correct options. So you can solve this 67, 89 minus 36 and just click on the correct options. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? Just select the correct option. Sum of smallest 4-digit and 5-digit. Now here there are no option. Option which we can see over here is add file. So you have to click on add file and you have to select on select files from your device. In this you can see 4 option. You have to select camera. Now you have to solve your sums. Camera will open. You have to solve whatever sum is there, suppose 2 plus 3 or whatever question is there. I solved this. You have to click photo clearly and approve it, put a tick mark and it will get uploaded. So click on, if you want to click more, one more picture, so you can add more files. Click on add more files, again click on camera. You can solve one more sum like this based on the question which is asked. Click it, tick mark. So here after selecting the picture you can select upload, blue button. So your image is getting selected, uploading. Yeah, so fourth sum is done. Now fifth one, draw an acute angle and right angle and name them. Again add file option is there. Again first what you will do, I recommend you that you be ready with your diagram. So first only I have do the diagram of right angle and acute angle. So once I am ready with my answer, then I will click on add file option. Again I will select files from your device. Now this is easier when you are solving this from your mobile phone. That's why I'm telling you to use mobile phone and not your laptop, because from your laptop it will be difficult for you to upload photos. So use mobile phone whenever you are solving Google form. So camera I'm selecting, and this are few ready-made diagrams which I have done. So I'm just clicking this and putting a tick mark over here. If I want to upload anything more, I am clicking on add more, again selecting camera. Want to click one more photo, just click it, select, tick option. See, 2 images are getting selected. Okay, so once you are done, I will suggest you to I will suggest you to click your photo in one go. Try to avoid uploading more than one pictures. So avoid uploading more than one pictures. Try only to upload one picture so that there will be not a problem. Okay, once you are done, just click on upload. See, your 2 files are getting uploaded over here. Now you have to check whether all questions are done or not, and even if you have not done, if you have missed, the form will suggest you that you have missed this. So when you submit, now one important instruction, you can fill this form only once. There is no redo of this, neither you can edit it once you submit. So before submitting, you can make any changes you want to make. For example, this answer, or if you want to cancel this, no, this was wrong, so I cancelled it and I'm going to upload a new one. So again, camera, then I will solve whatever I want to solve, then I'll click and then I'll upload. So like that you can edit it before submitting. After submission you can't edit. So once you are done, you have to submit. It's getting submitted. Yeah, your response has been recorded. View score. From view score you can see how much points you got. So I'm clicking on that. Okay, I got 1 point out of 10. See, if your answer is wrong, you will be notified. If your answer is correct, you will be notified that also. So where options and MCQs are there, you will be notified whether your answers are right or wrong. And where you have uploaded the file, don't worry about that. Guruji will check that answer and accordingly points will be given. Now this question number 5 and question number 4 together carry 7 marks. So accordingly, Guruji will open the file, check and insert the points accordingly. Okay, so that's how you have to solve your Google form. Once again, I'm saying that use mobile device to solve any question on Google form, and also before submitting check you have edited everything, because after submission you can't edit your answer. Thank you.